Hi, my name is Lisa Handy, and I'm going to demonstrate the skill feeding. This is my student Gloria, and she's going to help me out, and I also have another student filming. Thank you. All right, we're going to go get started. First, you're going to wash your hands, okay? And then you're going to get the tray. And you want to identify the tray, make sure it's the right patient. Sometimes they have a slip up underneath that you have to look. I don't have one on here, but I'm going to pretend that we have a slip and this is the correct patient. She's going to do a snack of applesauce, okay? All right, let's get started. I'm gonna get my tray. And you also wear a mask, okay? This is her tray. I have applesauce, water, and a napkin. All right, Miss Gloria, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, good. I got your dinner, your snack here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna make sure you're sitting up in the chair. She has right-sided weakness. All right, and we would make sure, put my mask on. We would make sure that she's sitting up in the chair correctly. And if they have arms, you're gonna put the arm on them. Their feet are on the ground. The chair is locked. All right, you doing okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're not gonna, if her head comes down like this, we're just going to gently raise her head up there. And occasionally she's gonna do that, so we're gonna correct that, okay? You get eye level with your resident. You doing all right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe your hands and make sure your hands are clean. Other hand. Thank you. She's doing a good job. Okay. All right. All right. I have a drink here also, and I have some applesauce. You okay with that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If they had different different foods, you would make sure you would alternate to make sure that they are able to, get their taste buds stimulated. Okay. Alright, so she's right-sided weakness, so you're going to feed on the stronger side, okay? Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get eye level with her. If you have to stand, it's okay. You're going to put it in her mouth, encourage. If they don't swallow or anything, you can tap the tongue to stimulate the swallowing. Okay, you're going to monitor to make sure she doesn't have any water in the eyes that shows aspiration, that's signs of it, okay? All right, and sometimes she may readjust her body and come off. You have to make sure we readjust, so we'd stop. We'll readjust her, make sure she's okay. All right, and she's gonna do that in a minute. All right, her head's down, so I'm just going to gently raise her head up. All right, if there is a lot of activity around, if somebody starts talking to you, you don't pay attention to them. You pay attention to your resident, okay? Did you have a good weekend, Miss Gloria?
Yes, I did.
Did you get to visit your family?
I did.
Oh, good. Oh, good. How's the temperature in the room? Is it good?
It's good.
All right. Go ahead and get another bite. Okay. Make sure she swallows. Her head is up. Okay. All right. We're going to offer some drinks in between. You're going to feed them drinks, go back and forth. Okay? All right. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. No choking. Now, if she would cough, that would show signs of aspiration. Okay? All right. How about another bite?
Okay.
Okay. And you only fill it halfway full. You don't want to give a big full spoonful because we don't want her to choke. Okay. All right, here we go. Here's another one. All right. How's that tasting good?
Mm-hmm.
It is? All right. What else did you do this weekend?
Just laid around,
Laid around?
watch TV.
Okay. All right. No family visited or anything?
Yeah, my
Okay.
daughter.
Your daughter. Oh, good. Good. All right. You want another bite?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. All right. Make sure she swallows. Okay. I'm gonna give you another drink. Is that all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ooh, we made a mess. That's okay. We'll make sure that we clean. That was a good thing. Sorry. If they do have stuff on their clothing, you want to change that. You can also offer a clothing protector to make sure their clothes stay clean, but you have to ask and offer if it's not given. And if you do get one and they ask for one, you be sure you remove it, okay? All right, so we would finish as much as she wants, and then we were gonna document this. Okay, you ready for another bite?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good. If she was able to eat, let me see your hand, and she was eating, if you grab that, and we're gonna, if she can't, and her hands are shaking or whatever, and she puts it in, you let them do what they can, and you do the hand over hand approach, and help them that way. Okay? Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right. So that's called hand over hand. If they want to bite down on the spoon, gently pull it out. Don't rip it out. Gently pull it out, and it'll stimulate them to open their mouths. Okay. And you can offer also to encourage eating. You want another bite? Is it okay? How about a bite of carrots? How about a bite of whatever to encourage them to eat more, because you want them to eat as much as possible. Okay. All right. So I think we're done. And she ate about 25% of that. You're going to do in percentages, and I'll show you a piece of paper of how to document that. You go ahead and get another drink of water. Make sure everything's nice and good before spilling it. We don't want to spill it. All right, and then you make sure your residents' hands are clean. There's no food on them. Okay, and then you make sure their mouth is clean, and we don't have any food or anything on them. Okay. All right, so I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and get the documentation, and I'll show you how to do that. Thank you. Okay, we're all done. I'm gonna go ahead and remove her tray, and I'm gonna look at her tray and see how much she ate. And she ate like about 25% and maybe half of her water. It was an 8-ounce glass of water, so I'm gonna say 4 ounces. The paper looks like this, and it has what the intake is, if it's a meal or a snack. So we're going to click snack, and then amount of food eaten, 0%, 25%, up to 100%. She did 25%. And the amount of fluid that she took, I'd say she took about half, so 50%. And then you are the candidate, and you would sign it. So we're going to do snack, 25%, 50%. Okay. So you would fill it out like that. Okay? All right, so this concludes feeding a resident with a right-sided weakness, or just a skill itself, feeding. Okay? Thank you for watching.